Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can update or how we can know the driver date of our driver that we have in our device, and how we can update our graphics card, our Wi-Fi driver, and the sound driver. So with all of that, we will be learning in this very short video. So let's get started. And let me just quickly go to our device manager. So we can do that by simply pressing or making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to device manager options. So once you click on that, you will see here the device manager window coming up on your screen. Let me just expand this one. And you have here the display adapters for your graphics card. You also have the sound, video game controllers for your speaker. And for your network adapters, you also have this one for your Wi-Fi. Okay, so let me do it first in the graphics card. All you need to do is just select your graphics card and make a right click on it and then go to properties. And by doing that, you will be opening another window here. So here we have the general tab, the driver tab, the details, events, and resources. So please go to driver tab and please click on that, and you will be able to see all the details, the options for the update driver. But in the upper part, you will see here the driver date of your driver, and you can see if it's latest or not. And if you see or if you want to update the driver, then all you need to do is just to click on this update driver button, and once you do that, you will be or another window will be coming up on your screen, and then you will be asked on how do you want to search for drivers. So you can click on search automatically for drivers, and then once you do that, and then it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. And let me just go back a little bit. So if you want to try also the second option, browse my computer for drivers, then you can also do that by clicking on that option, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on your computer so that you will be able to choose from the installed drivers that you have in your device to install in or to install for the graphics driver or any or any driver that you want to be installed. So here you can choose the latest or the oldest one and just select one, and then you can now click on next. And for example, you want to or you have installed and downloaded a driver from the manufacturer, then all you need to do is just to search for drivers in the location that where you have put the downloads or the installed the download driver. So all you need to do is just browse, click on the browse button here, and then you can now select or look for the location of the downloaded update for your driver. And once you have now the location, you can now select it and then click on OK. And now you can now proceed on the installing process of the updated driver. Okay, and you can now click on next, and that's it. So for the settings to be effective, all you need to do is just make a quick restart with your device. And of course, you can do the same process with all the adapters here and drivers here for the Wi-Fi and for the sound driver as well. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and let me just close this one. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.